The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch Number 2, effective until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties: Louisiana, Ascension, Assumption, East Baton Rouge, East Feliciana, Iberville, Jefferson, Lafork, Livingston, Orleans, Plaquemines, Kankakee, St. Bernard, St. Charles, St. Helena, St. James, St. John the Baptist, St. Tammany, Tangipahoa, Terrebonne, Washington, West Baton Rouge, West Feliciana. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and TV outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.